In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Drive, whether you're storing important documents, collaborating on projects, or just freeing up space on your device. Google Drive provides a convenient solution for managing your files. So let's get started. First, let's navigate to the home page of Google Drive. You can do this by heading over to your browser and entering drive.google.com. This will lead you to the main dashboard, where you'll have access to all of your documents, spreadsheets, PDFs, and more. Once you're here, you can see your existing files and folders, as well as access your Drive's features. Next up, let's create something new. You'll want to locate the New button, which you can find on the left-hand side of your screen, near the top. It's marked with a plus sign. Click on it to display a drop-down menu. This menu is your gateway to creating and uploading content. From here you'll have several options, including creating a new document, spreadsheet, or presentation. If you want to organize your files better, creating a new folder is a great way to start. Simply navigate to that same New drop-down menu and click on New Folder. At this point, you'll be prompted to give your folder a name. Think about how you want to organize your files and choose a name that clearly represents its contents. Once you've decided, hit Create and voila. Your new folder will appear in your Drive dashboard, ready to fill with files. Now let's say you have some files stored on your computer that you want to access from anywhere. You'll want to upload these to your Drive. Go back to the New drop-down menu and click on File Upload. This action will open a window on your computer where you can select the files you'd like to upload. Simply navigate through your computer's folders to find and select one or more files. Once you've made your selection, click Open, and your files will begin uploading to your Google Drive. Depending on your file size and internet speed, this may take a few seconds or a few minutes. Finally, if you have a whole folder of files you want to upload all at once, Google Drive simplifies this process as well. By choosing Folder Upload from the New drop-down menu, you will be able to select an entire folder from your computer to upload. Just like the file uploads, the time it takes will vary based on the size and number of files in the folder. And there you have it, the basics of Google Drive. You've explored how to access the site, create new folders, and upload both files and entire folders from your device. Google Drive is an incredibly powerful tool once you get the hang of it. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.